What's up, guys? I'm going to show you a really cool trick called Blizzard. It's a really cool trick. Go ahead and name a card.
8 of hearts.
8 of hearts. Okay, well really all we need is the 8s, but I'll chug the 8s here. Alright, now what I want you to do is I want you to just go ahead and just mix them up without looking at them. And so that way me or you don't know where either of them are. Just go ahead and just mix them up. Alright, just go ahead and just deal them down one at a time. Great. Now, you said the 8 of hearts, right?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe that helps. 8 of hearts. Now it's really cool that you picked that one, because if you didn't, this trick wouldn't have worked. Matter of fact, not even them, but the deck itself, completely blank. Nothing at all. That's Blizzard. Alright, welcome to the explanation of Blizzard. It's a really cool trick. You can buy it on penguinmagic.com. Really, really awesome. It's like 20 bucks or something like that, but the effect is just killer. So, what you see here is a deck of cards and a card box, right? Wrong. While it is a card box, it's just a hollow shell. Give you an idea of what that is. It's just a hollow shell that you put over top of cards. Okay? And of course, all these cards are blank. Nothing on them. Okay? So what you're going to want to do is first get a regular deck of cards. Now this is what you'll get from Penguin Magic. You'll get hollow thing, blank cards. Okay? That's what you get from Penguin Magic. Now, what you want to do is get another deck of the same color. Now what you actually want to see is the real deck of cards, at least mine are a little bit darker than this. Now you probably don't see the difference, maybe. It's real hard to tell. One is darker than the other. You can't tell the difference. I can't when I do it. It's very, very difficult to tell. You can make marks or whatever you want, but anyway, what you do is you go ahead, you put 3 blank cards in your regular deck. You know, I would spread them out a little bit, you know, beginning, middle, and, you know, spread them out a little bit. Okay? Put these in your casing. And you're ready to begin. You can go ahead and put these down. Put these down, squeeze in the sides so nothing falls out. Put this down. They think it's just a box. There's no heat on it right now, so it's whatever. You go and you ask someone to name a card. Now the reason you say name a card is because you want the specific suit, the actual card, suit and all, because that's what you're going to end up using later. And you know, so they say 8 of hearts. What you're going to do is you're going to take out the 8 of hearts, but the rest, the other 3, are the blanks. So you're going to go out, you're going to look for the blanks and the 8 of hearts and just outdraw them. Okay? So you got them. Leave the deck in your hand. That's important. Go ahead and tell them, and usually what I'll do is I'll have the 8 of hearts on the bottom, and I'll just casually show it. You don't want to make a big point. You don't want to go, okay, now what I want you to do with these, you don't want to make it that subtle. You want them to be really subtle. That way they don't think that, you know, the 8 of hearts means anything or whatever. Like, as your pattern, just go ahead and just, you know, do this, blah, 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 whatever. You know, they see the 8 and they just don't think anything of it. So have them just mix them up. You really want to tell them, don't peek at the cards, alright? I don't want you to know the positioning of them, I don't want to know the positioning of them, just mix them up so neither of us know which 8 is where, okay? And they'll do that while they're doing that, okay? That's what they're doing. While they're doing that, and it doesn't even matter if other people are looking. This, for some strange reason, nobody notices this. I've never been caught. Trust me, nobody sees it. Here's what you do. This is the only move really in the whole trick. Watch closely. That's it. That is it. Okay? You take this off there and you put it right there, where it looks just like a regular deck. Okay? You put this back on the table if you so choose. I'd rather put it in my pocket, say, okay, I'll get rid of these real quick. That's all you gotta do. You're set. They're mixing up these. When I deal them down one at a time, you can either mark the normal cards in a certain slight way, or you can mark the the blank cards in a certain slight way, whatever you want to do. The way I have it is just the darkest one, because the blank cards just have a lighter tint to them, just barely. I mean, no one's even gonna really notice this. I go like this. All right, I instantly know. Oops. 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 8 hours. No, I knew it was 8 hours right here. What happens is, light, I don't know if you can see this or not. Don't know if you can even see it on camera, especially with the light. Yeah, it's just, I don't know if you can tell. This one's just a little bit darker. But, I would recommend writing them, because you can't be wrong. I mean, because if you're sitting there like, now, if you're going like this, oh, no, it's not that one. No, it's not that one either. Oh. Be like, no, it's not that one either. Ah, there it is. I mean, that kind of can be, I guess that could kind of be a cool performance too, but makes you look worse. If you just be like this, like that, then they have somewhat low expectations, like, really, that was the trick, you know? Cool, but you have a 25% chance, and then cards are probably marked somehow to know what they are. You know, they're not really impressed. But then when you really go like this, then their expectations rose a little bit. Now they're like, that's pretty impressive, but you probably took out them 3 because you asked me 8 of hearts. I sold 8 of hearts. You know, that's probably, you know, you just had them 3 in there. Then, when you turn over the rest of the deck, knowing that they had no other choice from the very beginning, that's what gets them. So, really milk it. When you go like this, go from here to here and really milk this for all it's worth. I mean, this, and really what you can do is you just be like this, you go like, you just be like this and really just sell it. I mean, just make them know that every card in the whole deck is just blank. It's a good effect. Give it a shot.